Hello, artists. We have previously learned how to create a value scale. Value is an element of art that goes from light to dark. When we created our value scale, we made a rectangle and we very specifically made different sections for each of the values. Right now, what we are going to do is a gradient scale. A gradient scale is almost the same as the value scale, except we do not want to see the lines in between each of our values. So what we are going to do for our gradient scale is we are going to get out our ruler once again. And let's make another rectangle below our value scale. Except this time, I'm only going to make my rectangle half an inch. This one's going to be a little more narrow. Instead of the full inch that we did before, and we're going to put ends on it. And you can label this one gradient. So just as we began with our black and we went to the white, we are going to do the same thing on the gradient scale, but we're not putting the vertical lines for the different segments. So I'm holding my pencil and I'm going to begin with my black. And as I go down the scale, I am gradually going to lighten it up. And I'm trying to match the values that were up above. And where they blend together, I'm just going over where that line would be up above and blending them together so it makes it more of a gradual change instead of the different sections. That is the difference between a value scale and a gradient scale.